Hi, welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. Today I'm going to be sowing swede. So I sow all my seeds initially in a milk bottle and then transplant them, and these are no different. I'm going to show you exactly how I do that with the bottle. So this is a 2 litre milk bottle, plastic milk bottle like you get from the supermarket. So first things first is I put drainage in, and do that by making a little square. This can be quite dangerous with the knife, so just make sure your fingers are out of the way. And then you need to make an opening, so I just go around here. Like that. And then I just fill this with compost. So I'm not using seed compost or anything like that, I'm just literally getting it from the bed in the greenhouse. I get my seeds. So my seed pack has a little tag, so I can just pop that down there. I'll write on the outside of it what it is as well. So swede seeds are very, very tiny, and when they're first planted, for the first 10 days you need to try and keep them at a temperature of roughly about 20 degrees. So in the north of England you need to sow these outdoors. If you sow them outdoors, the end of May. But I'm sowing them in a greenhouse where I'm going to wrap them in some insulation and keep them at 20 degrees. So I'm just going to put one on there. These are tiny, tiny seeds. One on there. And one on there. And I'm just going to cover that over. Just done 3. Oh, bit of plastic in my. And then I'm just going to water that. So I'm just going to pour some water over here. Close the lid. I'm going to put that in a bag. So these are the swedes wrapped up. So they need to be kept at about 20 degrees for 10 to 15 days, and then we can check them again. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.